3號強風信號現正生效，強烈熱帶風暴小犬已經減弱為一個熱帶風暴。喺下晝2點，小犬集結喺香港之西南偏西大約190公里，即係北緯21.5度、東經112.6度附近。預料向西南偏西移動，時速大約12公里，橫過廣東西部沿岸並逐漸減弱。隨住小犬繼續遠離香港，本港風力逐步減弱。天文台會喺下晝2點40分改發1號戒備信號，取代3號強風信號。小犬相關嘅雨帶仍然會為本港帶嚟狂風驟雨同雷暴，雨勢有時頗大，市民請保持警惕。喺中午12點半至到下晝1點半，天文台錄得橫瀾島嘅最高持續風速係每小時42公里，最高陣風係每小時53公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3 is in force. Severe tropical storm Koinu has weakened into a tropical storm. At 2 p.m., Koinu was estimated to be about 190 kilometers west-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 21.5 degrees north, 112.6 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-southwest at about 12 kilometers per hour across the western coast of Guangdong and weaken gradually. With Koinu continuing to depart from Hong Kong, local winds are weakening gradually. The Hong Kong Observatory will issue the standby signal, number 1, to replace the strong wind signal, number 3, at 2:40 in the afternoon. The rain bands associated with Koinu will still bring squally showers and thunderstorms to Hong Kong. Showers will be heavy at times. The public should remain on the alert. At between 12:30 p.m. and 1:30 p.m., the Hong Kong Observatory recorded the maximum sustained winds at Waglan Island was 42 km per hour, with maximum gust was 53 km per hour,